High potency. Breathe Well was created with maximum symptom-fighting ingredients, including Calendula, mullein leaf and elderberry to help your furry friends with allergy relief and let them feel better as soon as possible. Cough Relief. Help your pet overcome bouts of coughing and wheezing with Breathe Well. If your cat or dog is suffering from dry, wet or barky cough, this supplement will be an easy and fast solution for you. Also perfect for soothing irritated throat. All natural, our pure formula is 100% organic, contains no additives, preservatives or fillers, non-GMO and gluten-free. Here in SafeBay, we use the best ingredients to make your cats and dogs healthy and happy. Vet's Choice, we do our best to develop supreme quality products to improve and extend the lives of your companion animals. Made in the USA, Breathe Well is a pet supplement you can trust. We are proud to guarantee you 100% satisfaction or we'll give your money back. Buy with confidence. Top reviews from the United States. Collapsed trachea? Nothing working? I never write reviews, but I feel I have a responsibility to share this in case you are struggling as I have been. I have tried absolutely everything for my Chihuahua collapsed trachea. I bought Cough Gold, 3 different brands of hemp oil, homeopet, honey, CBD. I got medicine from 2 different vets, paid hundreds of dollars and was losing hope. Every day all day, wheezing, coughing, gagging, panting and struggling to breathe. Waking me up all throughout the night, exhausting for him and for me. There's nothing I wouldn't do to help him but nothing worked. I spent hours and hours going through reviews wondering what was real, what was fake, if it was safe, if it was helpful, and what were the side effects. It's exhausting to read millions of reviews with conflicting opinions. All I wanted was to help him and felt powerless.